What's that? What's that? What do you call that? Hanger. Hanger. What do you call that? Hanger. Say it muna. Hanger. Hanger. Samara, what's that? Huh? What are you doing? Samara, what are you doing? What's that? What do you call that? Hanger. Say hanger muna. Say hanger first. Hanger. Samara, say hanger. Mara, say hanger first. Hanger. Hanger. Say hanger first muna. Say hanger first. Hanger. Yes, hanger. Oh, hanger. Oh. Say hanger. Really, hanger. Tita, give me the hanger. Ano to? What do you call this? What do you call this muna? What do you call this muna? Hanger. No. No. Before I'll give it to you. Hanger.
Yeah.
Hanger. Mara. Nger. Hanger. Ha? Nger. What's this? Hanger. Ay. Oh, ibibigay yung tita yan. Ibibigay yung tata. Kasi hindi marunong magsabi si Samara. No. What do you call that? Ha? No. What do you call that? You're making me angry na, ha? Hanger. Hanger, I'll make palo-palo to you, hanger. You make balagan. You're so messy. You're such a balagan kid. Balagan, messy. Sa Hebrew.
Hebrew ka ba? Ano mo
Yes. The little kid is here. Early in the morning. Doing balagan. Sa balagan.
Ay, kami.
Morning, Tita Mean. Good morning, Tita Mean.
Wow. Bait siya, nagkalat
Siya nga nagkalat niya. Ako nga nagliligpit eh. Hanger. Say hanger. Oh, you put it back na. You put it back. You put it back na. Bilis. Bilis.
Balik mo na daw doon.
And then you made the dinosaur na. Bilis, where's the dinosaur? Oh, nawala. Nawala na yung dinosaur. Pati si Jollibee, patulugin niya na din. La. Ano yun? Huh? What's that? Oh. La. Oh, put it back. You put back the hanger. Faster.
Nice na kami ako.
Hey, bilis. You put back the hanger. Bili. Oh, bilis. Bili. Oh, bili.
Ayusin mo.
Bili. Ala. Nakaw. Ha? Ha? Ayan lang yan. Hindi ko pa na ano.
Ay, tata ginawa niyo.
Balang yung ano mo, chinelas mo may altamtak ka.